Good morning, Primary 6. Welcome back to math session. You're here with me, Miss Tere. So, how was your fraction? Do you get it? Do you understand about it? If you understand about it, that is really good. But if you have any question or if you are still confused about it, you may ask me, okay? So, look at here. Today, we're going to learn about divide a whole number by a proper fraction. So, actually, this lesson is similar with the concept that we have from the previous meetings. Okay, so steps there are three steps. Don't you forget it. Keep, change, flip. Okay, keep, change, flip. It's a key CF, front of KFC. Just remember that. So key CF, keep, change, flip. Okay, so let's get it done. Divide a whole number by a proper fraction. For example, Benny has a pie. He cuts the pie into halves. How many halves are there in one whole? So as you know that this is half, it means that 1 per 2, half, okay? Benny has a pie, so a pie means 1 divided by half. Get it? So here we have a whole number. This is whole number divided by a proper fraction. A proper fraction means that the numerator is smaller than denominator. But if numerator is bigger than denominator, it's called improper fraction. So this is. So how many halves are there in one whole? Remember the steps. Keep, change, flip. So what must we keep at first? 1. Okay, so this one. No need to 1 per 1 per what? So just 1. Do not need to change it, flip it, or whatever. We just need to keep it. After that, change. What must we change? Look at that. We have what? Division symbol. So change it into multiplication. Remember, we do not change it into addition or subtraction. The friend of division is multiplication. So change it into the 1 times and half. Half, what must we do? We need to flip it. Once we are done with this one, remember this is 1 per 2, and then when we flip it, it's just 1 go to the bottom and this 2 go up. Okay? After that, once we are done with this, we just times it as usual. 1 times 2 equals 2 per 1 equals 2. Okay? So there was 2 halves. There were 2 halves in one whole. It's kind of easy, right? Just remember, keep, change, flip. Please look at your textbook, page 41. We're going to discuss it from there. Jane cut 3 circles into equal pieces. Each piece was 1 per 6 of a circle. How many equal pieces did she cut the circles into? So Jane cut 3 circles means that Jane has 3 circles cut into equal pieces. Each piece was 1 per 6. Remember, how many equal pieces did she cut circles into? What do we need? Division, that's right. What divide what? What divide what? 3 divided by 1 per 6. Remember, keep, change, flip. Keep 3. Change, multiplication, flip, 6 per 1. So that's it. After that, just times it as usual. 18. Easy. Miss Sally, I am still confused. Where is this one? Where? Well, it's actually here, 18 per 1. Actually, it's here, 18 per 1. But as you know that per 1, it is considered as 18 as well. So that's the answer. She cut the circles into 18 equal pieces. Please look at your workbook chapter 2 practice 2 number 1a. We're going to discuss it together here before you will do by your own. So 7 divided 1 per 8, and then in your book you will have this one 7 times 8 per 1. It helps you for the first one, for the starter. So keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. After that, 7 times 8 per 1. Get it? 7 times 8 per 1 equals 56. Remember, this per 1, we do not need to think about it. It's just as considered as that number itself. So look at B. 3 divided by 1 per 5. Keep, change, flip. What must we keep? 3. What must we change? This division symbol, we change it into multiplication. After that, flip it. So now what we have, 3 times 5 equals 15. Per 1 equals 15 per 1. Okay? C. 2 divided by 1 per 5. Keep, change, flip. Equals 10. 10 per 1. Once again, 10 per 1. But 10 per 1 is considered as this number itself. D. 12 divided by 1 per 4. So what is that? Keep. We keep that 12. After that, this division we change it into multiplication. After that, per 1. 4 per 1. So 12 times 4 per 1. Remember, 12 times 4 equals 48. And then this is per 1, and then consider as 48 as well. Any question? If you have any question, you may just ask me through the comment section or through the @mododm. 11 divided by 1 per 9. 1 per 9. Keep, change, flip. Keep 11, change, multiplication, and flip 9 per 1. Okay? So 11 times 9 per 1 equals 99. It's kind of easy, right? And then once again, this is 99 per 1, and then consider as 99 itself. So that's all for today. It's kind of easy. Workbook chapter 2, practice 2, number 2. It is about that again, division, divide divide a whole number by a proper fraction. And I will be discussed on the meeting 5 August. So please do not forget about it. And next meeting we're going to learn about divide a proper fraction by a proper fraction. Well, the concept is still same. We just sharpen your skill through it. In chapter 2, we have learned about divide a fraction by a whole number, and now divide a whole number by a proper fraction. Don't forget, next time is proper fraction by a proper fraction. So that's all for today, primary 6. If you have any question, you may ask me through the comment section or at @mododm. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and God bless you.